Hello everyone and happy Teachers Day to all of you once again. I hope you had a great day. And let's begin with one session of chemistry and let's do few questions. Okay, let me share my screen. Here is it. Here it is, sorry. Now let's annotate it. So the very first question that we are having here is, why is aluminium a suitable material for building aircraft? So in order to make a aircraft, why we are considering aluminium as a suitable material? So for four options we are having in here, like it is a good conductor of heat, or it has a high melting point, it is shiny, or it is light and does not rust easily. So guys, the answer would be option D, because it is light and does not rust easily, which is very important characteristics in order to make a aircraft we need. Then the question is, solder is an alloy of, so solder is alloy of which of these components, like copper plus zinc, or lead plus what is this Sn guys? This is nothing but tin. Or lead plus what is this Sb? It is nothing but the antimony. And then copper plus again tin. So which combination is there? So the correct answer would be lead plus tin. So it is like this. This is basically constitutes to solder, where lead is 40% in it and tin is Sn is 60%. So in this manner we prepare a solder. And why this concentration is important, guys? Because see, if we will if we would be altering this concentration, then we will not get solder there. Okay, something else we would be getting over there, or it would be an impure form of solder. You can say that otherwise, right? So therefore, proportion matters. Now the third question is like, which one of the following metal oxide shows both acidic and basic characteristics? So is it Na2O? It is like this, guys. Na2O, K2O, CuO, or Al2O3. So guys, we are talking about both acidic and basic characteristics. So do you know there is a special name we have for these kinds of compounds, and these are known as amphoteric in nature. And sorry for the handwriting, guys. These are amphoteric in nature, which shows both acidic and basic characteristics. So we have aluminum oxide as a amphoteric compound. Fine. Now the question is, brass is an alloy of, again guys, important question from the alloy perspective. So brass is an alloy of copper, zinc, copper iron, copper and zinc, or iron and nickel. So guys, the answer would be copper and zinc, Cu plus Zn. Now we can move ahead to next question. Here the question is asking for German silver is an alloy of. So again, an important question, German silver we are considering here. So is it an alloy of gold and silver, copper and silver, copper, zinc and silver, copper, zinc and nickel? So guys, the correct answer would be option D. It is copper plus zinc plus nickel. And nickel is around 10 to 35% in it. Right. Then we have, again guys, from German silver, I have a question for you. Do you know what quicksilver is? Which compound is known as quicksilver? So try to answer this question. Okay, in the comments we will see for that. Which method is employed for obtaining a pure metal? So in order to obtain a pure metal, which method would be there? Froth flotation, electrolytic refining, magnetic separation, or gravity separation? So guys, the correct answer would be electrolytic refining. Here what happens, there are two ends of cathode and anode, and all the impurity gets attached to the anode one, and at cathode we are getting pure metal or impurity, or you can say that impure metal. Fine. Now we can move ahead. Now the question here is, carnallite is a mineral of. So this carnallite is mineral of which compound or which element basically? Sodium, calcium, magnesium, yeah, all of the above. So the correct answer would be magnesium. So basically it is a compound of magnesium and potassium. Okay. Now the question is asking for the lightest liquid metal. So the lightest one we are looking for liquid metal. So is it mercury, gallium, cesium, or francium? So the correct answer would be cesium. Why? Because if you go by the atomic weight of mercury and cesium, so mercury is somewhere around 200 AMU and cesium is around 132 AMU. So we can go by these facts. Then the question is, and guys, the quicksilver is mercury. Okay, quicksilver, mercury is basically known as quicksilver. So do remember about this fact also. Now the question is, which is the purest commercial form of iron? So iron has these many forms with it. So which one is purest one? Pig iron, steel, stainless, or wrought iron? So the correct answer would be wrought iron. This is again an important question, guys. Okay, now we can move ahead. Okay, so this would be the last question in here. The question is, aluminium is obtained by the electrolysis of pure Al2O3, which is dissolved in. So basically, you have to answer the ore for this aluminium. Na? So bauxite, cryolite, feldspar, or aluminium. So the correct answer would be cryolite. Cryolite is a ore of aluminium. So I hope guys you are able to solve all of these questions. And if there is any issue, let me know in the comment box. Till then, again, happy Teachers Day, and let's end this session on this note and see you tomorrow. Bye.